Welcome back to Modern Girls. Today, I'm diving into the world of face shapes to see if I can find the perfect hairstyle for mine. Let's figure this out together. When it comes to choosing a hairstyle, many of us consider factors like our hair texture, personal style, and lifestyle. But have you ever stopped to think about the shape of your face? Your face shape can actually play a huge role in determining which hairstyles will complement your features and which ones might not be the most flattering. Finding a hairstyle that complements your face shape can be a challenge, and many people struggle with it. You might try out a trendy new style, only to find that it doesn't quite look right on you. This can be frustrating, especially when you see others pulling off the same look with ease. The truth is, what works for someone with a different face shape might not work for you, and that's okay. Everyone's face is unique, and that's what makes this process so interesting. People often rely on trial and error to find their ideal hairstyle, which can be time-consuming and costly. They might go through numerous haircuts, trying to find the one that makes them feel confident and comfortable. However, understanding your face shape can simplify this process and help you narrow down your options. By knowing your face shape, you can get a better idea of which hairstyles will balance out your features and create a harmonious look. Understanding face shapes is key to finding the perfect hairstyle, but many people don't know where to start. They might look in the mirror and see a face staring back at them, but they don't know how to categorize its shape or what that means for their hairstyle choices. This lack of knowledge can lead to a lot of uncertainty and dissatisfaction with their appearance. Oval faces are considered the most versatile, as they can pull off almost any hairstyle. Round faces, on the other hand, look great with styles that add height, such as pompadours or updos. Square faces can balance out their strong features with softer, more rounded hairstyles, while heart-shaped faces can create the illusion of width with bangs or layers. Each face shape has its unique characteristics, and knowing these can help guide your hairstyle choices. When it comes to oval faces, the possibilities are endless. You can try short and sweet, long and luscious, or anything in between. For round faces, adding some texture or volume on top can make a big difference. Square faces can look stunning with some subtle layers or a sleek, low ponytail. Heart-shaped faces can pull off a chic, short bob or a bold, long hairstyle with layers. One of the most surprising hairstyles that suits a specific face shape is the pixie cut on a heart-shaped face. It's a classic style that can add width to the jawline, creating a more balanced look. Another unexpected hairstyle is the bob on a square face, which can soften the features and create a more feminine appearance. These styles go to show that sometimes the most unlikely hairstyles can end up being the most flattering. The right hairstyle can completely transform your appearance, and it all starts with understanding your face shape. By knowing your face shape, you can find a hairstyle that complements your features, hides any imperfections, and enhances your natural beauty. Today, I'm diving into the world of face shapes to see if I can find the perfect hairstyle for mine. Let's figure this out together. If you'd like to join in on the conversation, please comment below with your face shape and your favorite hairstyle. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more hairstyle tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Modern Girls for more glow-up and style content.